Hey guys, it's me, Vetraville, from Team 7477 Super Set. This is part 2 of our comprehensive guide to Tech Toolbox. Now, you're on the Choosing an IDE page. So, let's get started. When getting started with FTC, programming is a big part. But to program your robot, you need an IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment. Now, there are three options for an IDE in FTC: block programming, on-bot Java, and Android Studio. Now, block programming is the easiest to use and great for beginners since it doesn't require any prior coding knowledge, but it has some limitations. One big drawback is that it doesn't support external tools like OpenCV and Roadrunner. OpenCV is a computer vision library that allows robots to see using a camera, helping them detect objects, track colors, or recognize shapes. Useful for tasks like identifying game elements or aligning with field markers. Roadrunner, on the other hand, is a smoothly Roadrunner, on the other hand, is a motion planning library that helps robots move smoothly and accurately, allowing for precise and efficient navigation during autonomous mode. Since block programming doesn't allow these advanced tools, teams using it might find it harder to create complex autonomous routines. Now, going to OnBot Java. Now, OnBot Java is a web-based editor where you can write Java code and send it to the robot over Wi-Fi. But using extra libraries like OpenCV and Rotor can be difficult. Android Studio is the most powerful option, and it's the one that we recommend because it gives you the most control and flexibility. But it does need some prior knowledge of Java coding. You need to know some good amount of Java. With Android Studio, you can easily integrate OpenCV and Rotor, use advanced tools, send code to the robot via USB or wirelessly with ADB, Android Debug Bridge. If you're completely new to programming, I suggest that you start with block programming, and it's a good starting place for people for new FTC teams. Now, now there's onbot Java, which is like a good middle ground for those who are getting used to text-based coding. But if you have very good Java experience and you know pretty well how to code a robot, then the best choice is Android Studio. There's also a tutorial available to help setting up Android Studio. I recommend a good idea is to watch an introduction to FTC programming to learn about key concepts like op modes, motors, and servos, which I will talk about in a later video. Understanding these basics will help you decide which programming IDE works best for you and your team. So, now in the end, if you have any more questions about choosing an IDE, you can go back to the introduction page and find the FTC Discord and official FTC forum. Alright, thank you.